Hi, I'm Jake Fox, and this is my voice reel. Rush into AMF Furniture now for spring savers. Save up to $800 on sofas and lounges and up to $1,200 on bedroom furniture. Hurry, strictly limited time. I got it at AMF. Now, more than ever, good hearing is important to stay connected. Get support now from Hearing Australia. Take our free hearing check and rediscover the sounds you love. Call 12 33 42 or visit hearing.com.au. Celebrate Dad this Father's Day with a perfect gift from David Jones. Save 25% on men's full-price clothing from Tommy Hilfiger, Gant, Nautica and more. Shop in-store or online at davidjones.com. 85% of homes lost by bushfires from embers lighting garden debris. On the first Saturday of October, get your home bushfire ready by removing branches and garden debris. First Saturday, brought to you by NRMA Insurance. Queensland, you're good to go. If it's national parks, sandy beaches and island getaways you long for, call Viva Holidays on 1300 Travel or visit vivaholidays.com.au or your local travel agent. Let's get out there, Queensland. Specsavers know we could all use a spare pair for a new style of hair or to block out the glare. Get 2 designer pairs with no gap from the $199 single vision range with selected health funds. Only at Specsavers. Change your post plan easily with the My Vodafone app. Once you're in, tap the menu button, Products and Services, change your plan. Select your new plan, scroll down and read the terms and conditions, and then tap Change this plan. And you're done. Coming up tonight on The Project. For almost 80 years, AGL Energy has been at the forefront of energy innovation.